Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAFIKAH binti Abdul Halil. My registration number is 02DKA20F1103. I want to explain the process of solid waste management from my home. For your information, solid waste is defined as no liquid, no solid material ranging from municipal garbage to industrial waste. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle the solid waste that is in the house. First, reduce. Donated unwanted or outgrown items to local charities, churches, or community center. Avoid using disposable plate, spoon, glass, cup, and napkins. Second, reuse. Such as old jars and pot can be used to store items in kitchen. Used wood also can be used as firewood or can be used woodcraft. The last, recycle. If we have the product that are made up of recycled materials such as the product should be environment friendly, we can learn how to make use of the material that we have or make DIY. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ROSYAZWANIS binti Rosdi. My registration number is 023820F1021. Okay, I will talk about the household hazardous chemical waste disposal, which is they have a technique of household waste disposal that are commonly practiced by residents in residential area either in the city or in the village are usually through garbage bin, pipe water flow system, open burning or planted. Okay, but there are also residents who are still less sensitive to environmental cleanliness by dumping garbage into discharge, water line or rivers, leaving it on the side of the road or in open area. Okay, right now, did you guys know what are the chemicals in our house? If you guys don't know, let me list it. Okay, there is the chemical in our house, which is electronic and small appliance, battery, fluorescence bulb, paints, paste carton, oil and gasoline, propane, and also cleaners. Okay, the household hazardous chemical can usually be divided to 4 classes, which is a corrosive, such as car battery, toxic, such as insecticide, flammable, such as a petrol, and reactive, such like acid. Okay, household hazardous chemical waste guide, which is follow the instruction, recycle and control disposal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TUAN HANNAN binti Tuan. My metric number is 02DKA20F1099. Did you know that there is many different kind of recycle in the world? For example, there's 7 kind of recycle. So today I'm going to show you guys one example for plastic bottle water. How do you throw them into this before you throw them into the recycle bins? Okay, for example, I have my bottle here. So how do you actually separate them is first of all, take off the bottle caps and then take off this thing. Second, you have to take off this. This is the 3 ways on how you separate before you put on inside the recycle bin.
The law is the Waste Management Law of Malaysia Act 672, Solid Waste Management Act and Public Cleaning 2007. This act may be cited as the Solid Waste Management Act and Public Cleansing 2007. This act applies to Peninsular Malaysia and the Federal Territories of Putrajaya and Labuan. This act shall come into force on the appointed date by the Minister by notification in the Gazette, and the Minister may make fixed difference.
Are you aware that violating solid waste management rules can result in suspensions and revocation of license from the Director General? Okay, this means you will not be able to carry out manufacturing, management or activities, work activities for a specific period. This also affects the local where they have to go through this for a long period of time. Therefore, we must educate the public to appreciate solid waste as a source of economic, energy, artistic, and value, so it can be valued by facilities the process of management and further treatments of solid waste.